Hello, everyone. This is Shobit, and I am live today talking to you about one simple thing. What do you do when you're in doubt? Especially what happens is when you are facing certain, major decisions, when you have challenges, what you want to do between is what is it that's logically true? What is it that your mind is telling you the right thing? And when just doubt, uncertainty, fear is stopping you from acting in your best interest. I want you to do three things when those happen. Number one, the first thing that you must do when you are in doubt is work out. I was just kidding, actually, or just partly kidding. So what you must do is go and do something that puts you in peak state, right? The state where you make all your best decisions from. For me, very often when I work out, I feel this sense of energy of all these emotions are flowing through me, where I'm a lot more energized and ready to go. For you, it might be meditation. For some other people, it might just be stretching, like something physical that puts you in the right state. First of all, go do that. Now, once you have done that, right? Once you have put yourself in that peak state, what I want you to do next is very simple. It's that you go, and then what are you going to do next? Surprise, surprise. You are going to go and ask yourself these three questions, right? These three questions will help you move past the sense of fear, move past the sense of doubt, and make a decision that's right for you. So, number one, if I asked my best, most courageous self what to do, what would the answer be? The idea here is that you're transporting yourself into your best self, your most courageous self. And by the way, if you want to give a name to this identity, even better. The name of my best self identity is Super Show. Super Show. So what would Super Show do? I ask myself often. Second, transport yourself in time. Say, what would the version of me that is really successful, really awesome, 5-10 years from now, what would that person have advised me to do right now in this situation where I'm doubt, where I'm really trying to figure out what is it that I do? And then third, transport yourself in person, as in maybe imagine yourself as your best friend and say, look, if I was giving my best friend advice on what they should do in situation, what would I tell them? So what's happening is you're using all these tricks to really try to figure out where is it that emotion of fear, of uncertainty, of doubt is causing you to not act in your best interest versus what is actually true, what is the right action for you. And by doing these actions, first of all, putting yourself in the right mental state, either by working out first, doing meditation. Some of my students do the OMBT routine. They really start to figure out what is it, like how do you get in the mental state? And then you ask yourself these questions. And when you ask these questions, the right answer will emerge. The right answer will absolutely emerge. And you'll know what to do without a doubt, and you'll do it with passion, with a lot of determination. And of course, you need someone to run things by. You need an awesome coach. You know who to reach out to. I'll paste the link below, shobitchuk.com/apply to help you get to the next stage in your life. I'm there for you. Look forward to seeing you very, very soon.